Well, my tool bench is just about junked all the way up again. I just had it all cleaned off. Let's see. If you can hear that noise in the background, that's the chopper. My father-in-law is chopping corn silage. Show you some of these new toys I got. Got an old block plane. The only problem with it is it's got a crack in it right here. I don't know if you can see that or not. It was free, so I mean, that's alright with me. I might take the handle off of this one, put it on this one. I mean, that might be an easy fix. Run that old screw out of it and put some wood glue in there, cinch it back down. It might hold, just for doing stuff here and there, nothing major. Then I got this little guy. Look at that little dude. But it too is cracked. They were all free. I mean, still pretty cool to have, I guess. And I've got this. It is a huge broad axe. And I'm going to say it says it's either Carlin or Garlin and Fult, F-U-L-T, maybe. Extra cast steel, Baltimore. I mean, it's huge. It's got WD-40 on it right now from wire brush. But I'm gonna try to grind on her a little bit more, or wire wheel it a little bit more. Don't laugh at my bench here. I still want to say that says Carlin, C-A-R-L-I-N, and there's a F-U-L-T, and it looks like an O and an N, Fulton, Baltimore. And if I'm not mistaken, I believe that was a like a one of those fold out shaving blade companies back in the day. I don't know. Well, I think I'm gonna have to buy some new files for this, and I'm not too worried about this handle. I gotta order a new handle for it.